So here we are again, messing with tires. Of course, I already unbolted the tire machine, put it over there, put it away. Then I found out the Ford has a flat tire. It's got a bad valve stem leaking. So I'm going to see if I can get off cheap. I've got a valve stem. See if I can just go ahead and change it. If it's going to cooperate with me. There it goes. Pull the core out. Hazel's helping. No. This the tire shop won't fix it because it's 2010. It's over 7 years old. It's way over 7 years old. So I'm going to see if I can just change it myself. It's just a plow truck. All they ever get used for is plowing snow. The rest of the time it just sits. So I'm going to see if this will work. I've never used this old dude. See if it'll break the bead. Maybe. Maybe not. I've never used this thing. Oh, there's more crowd. More. Maybe. I think it's going to work. Hazel, I don't need your ball. You're not helping. This is old. This one's got different adjustments on it. Well, I didn't know we were going to do that. Okay, a little Dawn dish soap. See if that helps some. I think it's going to do it. I think. Maybe. There it goes. Hey, got it. Hey, it actually worked. Check it out. Cool. All I gotta do is pull this valve stem off of here. It was actually spinning in the hole. If I don't drop it. Hey, nothing to it. New valve stem. Thanks to my neighborhood O'Reilly's. A little bit of the proper lube. Put that on there. Everybody's got one of these to fix all their you-know-whats for their tires. I'm trying to do this with my left hand. My left hand never works. There it is. Get on there like that. Pop that in. Oh, trusty guy. Oh, trusty, crusty. I don't even know where I got that thing. was trying to get this done without having to open the garage door. One of these locks on here. There it goes. Wait for it. Wait for it. I'm not going to pop it. There it goes. Bang. Who says you don't need old tools? Yeah, that goes to show you all this old crap I saved comes in handy once in a while. Well, I figured since I got the wheel off, I might as well try to get this drum off. It won't even turn. There's some movement. I've never had these brakes off. Might be a mistake, who knows? Well, let's jack this up a little bit higher and get a jack stand underneath it, huh? Probably a good idea. Oh man, come on. There. That's more safer. Safer. All right, I'll keep beating on this and come back and let you know where I was going. It's not cooperating. If you can get in here, I know the brakes are probably all rusted up. If you get in here behind the backing plate and get a little bit of pry on the brake drum like that, and just slightly tap on it a little bit, just to convince it. Why do I reach down and grab a... Oh, it's Hazel's ball. Come on, Hazel. I can see the front pad has some lining on it. No, the rear pad's broken. Yeah, the lining all came off. Okay. I guess I'm going to be doing brakes out here. Awesome. That's okay. All right, so I'm going to put this side up, put it on jack stands, go get some brake parts so I can change out at least this wheel. Then I can get it inside. I guess this means I'll be doing brakes out here in the rain tomorrow. Maybe not. We'll see. Awesome. Things keep getting better. Okay, I think I got it off. Ah, yeah, there it is. Wow, the drum's actually in good shape. Surprising. Brake shoes are garbage. Part of the lining. I'll show you. Look at that part of the brake lining is gone. There's the rivets. Rivets were catching on the brake drum. There's the brake drum. It doesn't look terrible. It's not terrible. Totally reusable. So I'll pick up some shoes. I think I'm going to play it cheap and just throw a set of shoes on it and see if that'll work. I might even be able to get that done today. Okay, the next day, I'm back. I couldn't get back till after dark. We had to go run around and early voting and all that good stuff. So I got my wheel cylinders. Made in China, what a surprise. Brake Best, whoever they are. Brake Best. But this is what O'Reilly's had in stock. They're not riveted, but they're bonded, they're fine. It's not like it's a big heavy duty truck. My only problem is, I'll show you. All right, this is my only problem. Today it's raining. It's gonna rain for the next week, which means it could snow anytime. And I got the plow in the front of this truck. I need this thing to run, just in case. So I guess I'm doing brakes in the rain. At least it's one wheel. Awesome. All right, got my handy dandy tools. Used to work in a brake shop, Firestone, years and years ago. Haven't done a Ford brake job in a long time. Many moons. I'm tempted just to just slap on shoes and finish it later, simply because I'm out in the rain. I'm not liking it. And the thought of to bleed the brakes is not real appealing. Fancy, can you imagine that? Wow, that one's funky. Look at the other one there. See that? How it's broken in the center? That's not good. Let's see how bad this is leaking. Well, it's not bad, actually. It's really not bad. Okay, I'm just going to slap shoes on it. Axle seal is leaking. I can deal with that a different day. Let's go match up these shoes, make sure they're the right ones. All right. So you got a primary and a secondary. The smaller shoe goes to the front. Okay, had to take a break. I was getting perturbed, to say the least. Now, how loose is that drum? That's real loose. Now to adjust these brakes up somewhat. Awesome. My rag's soaking wet. There, that's touching. All right, now, actually got them on. Yeah, I'm not doing the wheel cylinders out here. Too hard. But I can get the tire on now. Maybe I can get out of this puddle. That'd be sweet. All right, now I can get out of this puddle. Well, I got her done. No, I didn't test drive it. It's raining. I'm wet. Rain and grease and brake dust just don't go together well in mud. So, hope everybody enjoys my misery. That's the way it always seems to happen. Get a new lift installed. Can I use it? Heck no. I got to work out in the rain. All right, everybody. Thanks for watching. Appreciate it. Take care.